Daiwik. Today I'm going to do floating compass. Do you know what is a compass? A compass is a device that travelers use for navigation. If a traveler is lost in the forest, they use a compass to find their direction to go. Now we need a paper clip, magnet, and a marker. A large bowl full of water. Now, do you know what is a magnet? A magnet is the object or material that produces magnetic fields. Earth is a humongous magnet field. That's why we don't float in space in the Earth. We just walk on the ground. Now let's do our experiment. Now let's open our markers and write N for north and S for south. Okay, let's do it. S for south. Now, let's rub it. Let's rub the paper clip on the magnet 20 times. Okay, I'm done. Now let's put the paper on the large bowl of water. Now let's put it on the north. What will happen? Let's wait. See, the floating compass is pointing to the north-south. I'll tell you why. The Earth's magnetic fields pulls the paperclip and the paper to the north-south. This is how the compasses work. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, ring a bell. See you next time. Bye.